So hello guys, me Gary Kovidam. Assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel. Actually, I just watched the other booktuber's video that's called Baiduri and I love to watch her speak with her own microphone, and I think I want to give it a try too as like her. So let me try with my own microphone. It's called blue because the color is blue. So
the Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Hello guys, can you hear me? Why my voice have to? Okay, I don't want to use it. Actually, after I hear my voice with the microphone, I think I'm going to bad mood. Okay, let me drink a sip of coffee first. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, why is this so bitter? But I still love coffee because coffee always relatable with the books. About books. Actually, I want to talk more about books, and this is an unboxing video. So if you want to know more what I buy books, so let's watch the video till the end. Okay guys, okay, stay tuned. So guys, let's unboxing the books I buy. Actually, in this video I'm not buy too much books, so this is the parcel that I want to unbox. So I'm not alone. Actually, I'm not alone in this video. So ta-da! Achumi, come here baby. Okay, she never listen to me. Okay guys, never listen, but he will listen to me if he wants a food. Okay, when I want to take a bath and that time lah, he want food. Okay guys, let's unboxing. Okay. Okay guys, I'm done with the unboxing. So how about you? I just buy 6 books from PicsArt. After a long time not buy books from PicsArt, and I just buy 6. And the books that I really want to read is Thank, which is, I think it's like a Ghostbuster. Okay, so that's why I choose this book. And then the others else, Kiamat, Algojo, Sumpah, Majnun, and Iblis. So this is all the books that I buy, and I think I really want to end my video because I don't know what to talk about anything else. So I hope you enjoy I hope you guys enjoy with my video, unboxing video, and if I'm too overreacting in this video, I'm really sorry because that is myself when I'm unboxing the books. So actually the book is just what is okay, I'm buffering. Okay, actually this book, these parcels just delivered from my mom today, and I just do it this unboxing. Okay guys, and it's like this. Guys, bye. Assalamualaikum.
Want me do my 2-step.
So guys, next video okay, never mind. So next video I will be announce a winner for New Year gift. So nantikan on my channel. Come on freedom. Bye. Assalamualaikum.